don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Sikukune 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Bito Aka.
What is Bito?
Fili.
I'm Nani. Sharp, yeah. Hey, what an interesting game, Fandachi. Sundowns 2. Their normal football of trying to penetrate ngentuzana position. But this Kukune manje banetrick yawe nje yokupaka ipass hoping for a transition. Counter attack, but I think they hold on for too long up to the 92nd minute, yes. And then Sundowns scored 2 goals. But it was so amazing with Sundowns score magolu I2 in 6 minutes kanjani. Yeah, I was shocked. And the lineup got Eric Tinkler today didn't make sense because the lineup on Saturday and today was totally 2 different teams if I'm not mistaken. Kuna player wafagile, kuna player ngawafaganga, but we were mina bengimangela how he was playing. The formation yakhe le bekadlala ngakhona, but we could see ukuthi bekazama ukupaka ipass up to the 90th minute azama protector le one bekafuna draw. But manje Sundowns being Sundowns, I mean Sundowns is a brilliant team. Bayakwazi ukukora amagoli, bayakwazi ucreate ama chances. Noma ungapaka ipass and ama substitute wabo second half. Mabafaka ukhuluse Mudawu nolentuzana. It changed the complex of the game, and they were able to score 2 goals in the space of 6 minutes, which was amazing.
Shocking.
I was shocking, but I mean, Sundowns is Sundowns. The only thing I'm ngibonile ukuthi Okadoso is trying to play his own style of football. Yes. Ngama player lawa yena, I think our lentuzana, because if you are bigger, lama player angene second half. Sure. Ilama player dala ku Sundowns. Yes. So I think he's trying to test his own style of play, and which it's gonna work, but angeke isebenze instantly. Because even nama bathini ama fans, they don't understand ukuthi akuna coach engafika idlale the same system le edlalwa uRulani or Upitso. Yes. Each coach has got his own philosophy. So when he's trying to create his own philosophy, sometimes yes, kuzoba nama mistake lapho nalapho ukuthi bayadraw or bayadliwa. But Sundowns is not doing bad at the moment. Sundowns is doing well. I don't know why ama fans where Sundowns are behaving the way behave. Yeah, and the lento abayenzile last week bafita for ibhola lethu bafita basenza sabe thina of us, because if bazokeca i-sporting director sabo bakece ne-fan Kaizer Chiefs the way bayenze ngakhona, I mean it's a questionable it's very questionable for me to say why are they doing that. You understand that? Because yes, we know soccer is an emotional sport, but you don't have to do such things. I understand. Now, Tiffany sikwazi ukukhuzana, and I hope khona abantu abazobakhuza ukuthi abafiti mabame kancane. We must stop doing that. Yes, soccer sonke siyayithanda ngendlela esithanda ngayo, but not the way. Not guy. Yeah, not guy nje bafiti. So bathela sporting director sabo ngamanzi. Mfethu bakecana nabo nale out yethu le nesisipana na. Bafiti, come on. I think something must be done, and if I know Kuzane not must tuna listen to this. Sure, team. Yeah. I'm kind of man of the match. Man of the match, I think for me, good game le. Konjubano na le player labo le tura kakhulu.
Santos or Sales. Yeah, salesman.
Salesman bafethu. Lapha mnandi bafethu. No. Yeah. Namaphaswa ibona kona la belupa ibhola khona. La thothi mnandi. Mnandi, and I think khona abonisayo khona avuthwa manje
This is
yeah as a player uyasibonisa ukuthi what is capable of and ukuthi Sundowns lapha yana didn't make a mistake by buying that player yeah enye into engifuna ucela ukuyi-add nje namhlanje phela uDr Ivan Khoza bekwi-birthday yakhe yeah sifuna ukusho ukuthi happy birthday kuye i-vision yakhe and nokuhlakanipha kwakhe has led South African football to where we are today and bebavula istadium angithi Vandag bathini Orlando Amstel Arena so asaya stadium siya arena yeah so siyabonga uyabona ngifuna ukukhuthaza ama player too khona le player le Kaizer Chiefs wathi Peterson bamsayinele extra I think 2 years I think the player lena Brwami uya deserve and the way he is I think he deserves for Chiefs to give him that opportunity because why lo mfana lona shema udlule entweni ezinzima kakhulu at the time Chiefs he was not doing well he stuck to his gun and he had leadership qualities and was showing us ukuthi he's a leader and I think by Kaizer Chiefs are rewarding him with that 2-year contract. It's something beautiful to admire. Ngicela ukukhuthaza uSipho Mbuli wherever he is. Sicela abantu bayekele ukinsulta lela player bafethu siyacela. Siyazi ukuthi le umuntu lona he had mistakes in the past. But doesn't mean manje wonke umuntu manje makavuka ekseni acabanga uSipho Mbuli emela acabanga uminsulta bafethu he is alcoholic and all those things. Please because umuntu naye lena he can take only so much and yes we have banter in our football but let it be banter not insults uyabona le thing so na ngicela ukumkhuthaza ukuthi as a player kwabanye bethu thina siyamhlonipha and siyamthanda because he's playing a very critical role in our South African football. Yes, wenzile ama mistakes work, which is fine. Life must go on, and the people learn from that. But people must stop insulting our players, man. Aske sihloniphaneni, man. Yaziya mangu criticize ngendaba ukuthi udlale kabi and so forth. Let's stick to that.
Yeah.
Let's not insult a person because unama flaws work. Uyabona lento le. Yeah.
Team ngiyabonga.
Bonga mina.
Well said, well said. Yabizu. Yabi.